What's up, everybody? Guess what? The topic for today, actually, what we're going to do today is I want you to know that you can do 50 sit-ups. And when you are looking at achieving a goal that is a little bit higher than what you're normally used to doing when it comes to your fitness, it's doable when you break it down into smaller bite-sized pieces. So you may think at first, 50 sit-ups, I can't do 50 sit-ups. That's way too many. But you actually can. Just break it down into numbers of 10, all right? So I'm going to do them with you. So today we're going to get 50 sit-ups done on the mat. Let's go. Let's start with 10. Bend those knees back nice and flat on the ground. Now when you're doing a sit-up, the goal is to try and keep the belly down as flat as you can, okay? We don't want to build the belly up. We want to build the muscle underneath. And so then you want to keep the belly as flat as possible. So when you're coming up on that sit-up, you still are keeping that belly pretty much pushed in. You're not breathing out and then pushing the belly out at the same time too. So slowly lower yourself down and then bring those arms up, reaching up, and the belly is still feeling flat, okay? So let's get 10 first, okay? You're gonna finish 50 sit-ups. Stick with me today. All right, let's go. And 10. Breathe it out when you come up. And 9. Good. Press into those hips. 8. And 7. I like to do sit-ups with my arms extended. 6. And 5. And 4. Come on. 3. And 2. Belly's down. And 1. Rest. Let's rest for 10 seconds. We're going to hit number 2, round 2, okay? We got 5 rounds. That's how you're going to finish these 50 sit-ups. All right, you ready? Next 10. You've already done 10. So woohoo! Celebrate that small win. Let's go. And 10. And 9. Are you breathing out? 8. 7. 6. And 4. And 3. Come on. 2. And 1. All right. Lay it on back. We got to rest 15 seconds. We got another 10. And we'll be more than halfway there when we finish this one. All right. We're hitting the middle of the summer. It's time to start revving up again. Don't get too slack. Ready? And go. 10. And 9. Come on, we're doing it together. 8. And 7. And 6. Come on, breathe it out. 5. And 4. And 3. Woohoo! 2. And 1. All right. How does that feel? We are more than halfway there. We're getting ready to hit 40 sit-ups. It's your 4th round of 10. We ready? And go. You got it now. 10. And 9. And 8. And 7. And 6. And breathe it out. 5. Woo. 4. 3. And 2. One more. Come on, don't stop. And 1. Nice. Okay, we got one more round. Did you think you could finish 50 sit-ups? Well, now you know it's doable for you. Okay? That's all I wanted to share with you today. We got these last 10, and that's 50. And how long did it take? No more than 10 minutes. Ready? And go. 10. And 9. And 8. 7. You can reach those arms out in front. 6. 5. Come on. 4. And 3. Reach up there. And 2. And 1. Woohoo! We did it. Good job. Congratulations. And that's how you do 50 sit-ups. when you have a goal that seems like it's not possible or doable because the number of reps seems so large, just break it down into small pieces. Even if you had to break it down into 5s, that would be great. It may take a little bit longer, but you'll get those 50 done. All right, you guys, have a great day. Just want to share that with you. Hope you got down and did your 50. Next time we'll do a full-on workout. All right, love you much. See ya.